Hello everyone, you're welcome to Python for All P4A. In this short video, I will be taking you on a tour on how to install Python and other IDE. To start with the Python installation, you simply go to www.python.org and download. Ensure you download Python 3.11.4. Also, make sure the version you have downloaded is 64 bits. Once you have completed this download, you simply navigate to your download folder, double-click the installer and run it. A window pops up as shown on your screen. Install Python 3.11.4 64 bits. Make sure you have the two checkboxes highlighted in red checked. After you have done that, you click Customize Installation as highlighted in red. When you click Customize Installation, it takes you to a next window displaying optional features. You will see here that all the checkboxes are already checked. What you do is to click Next. When you click Next, an advanced option window pops up. Make sure you have the first 5 checkboxes checked. Once you have done that, you go to your Customize Installation location and click Browse. In most cases, you will not have this folder Python 3.11. So all you need to do is to click Browse, navigate to your C drive, and create a new folder with the name Python 3.11. Once you have finished doing this, you click Install. A pop-up window shows up, Setup in progress as shown on your screen, and you see the installation progress. Wait for the installation to finish. Once it is finished, you see another pop-up window displaying setup was successful. At this stage, you have successfully installed the Python software. What you do is to close this window and move to the next stage. In this next stage, we will be installing all the packages that we require for this course. To do that, you simply download the requirement.txt file. The link for the download will be left in the description section below. Once you have downloaded the requirement.txt file, which contains the list of all the Python packages, which is also called libraries, what we do next is to open our window PowerShell, and on the window PowerShell you type pip3 install -r and you reference the location of the file. When I mean location, I mean the file path. In this case, your requirement.txt is right in your downloads folder. So the full path, which is downloads/requirement.txt, is imputed on your screen. Once you have done that, you click Enter. Alternatively, if your window PowerShell is opened right in your downloads folder, it then means that you do not need to reference the full path on the window PowerShell command. What I mean is this: all you need to do is to type pip3 install -r and then the name of the file, requirement.txt. I repeat, you simply impute Python 3 or pip3 install -r requirements.txt. Once you have done that, you see the packages being downloaded and installed. Once the installation is complete at this stage, it means that now you have your Python software ready with all the required packages installed. Finally, we move to the last step. But before we go to the last step, here I want to show you an alternative way of installing your libraries. So in the alternative, if you do not have the requirement.txt file downloaded, you can install each of these respective libraries by opening the window PowerShell and typing the command pip3 install the package name. In this case, as you can see on your screen, we have NumPy. You can also install multiple libraries at a go. To do that, all you need to do is to separate the package names with a spacebar. I mean, you type pip3 install numpy space scipy space matplotlib space pandas space jupyterlab space spider. Once you have done that and you hit enter, all your libraries are installed for you. Note that here we have installed the Spider IDE using the window PowerShell. You can alternatively install Spider IDE by going to the Spider IDE website and downloading the executable and installing it. Once you have completed this step, it then implies that we are ready to move to the last step. In this last step, we will be installing the PyCharm IDE, which is the second IDE that I'm recommending for this course. And to do that, you simply go to jetbrains.com, PyCharm, and download the PyCharm Community Edition. The Community Edition is a free edition, as you can see on your screen. But also on that site, you have the Professional Edition. The Professional Edition is a paid version of the PyCharm IDE. But for this course, just simply install the PyCharm Community Edition. Once you have successfully installed the PyCharm Community Edition, it then implies that you are ready to begin the lessons for this course. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this tour. Please like and subscribe to my channel